ng tanan, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga magalingon. We are part of the exclusive riding community, and today is the best day to launch not one, not two, but three exclusive motorcycle models by Volt here at MSS. And MSS is the exclusive distributor dealership here in Bacolod, in Negros Occidental, and not